Hello guys and welcome back to Microsoft Intune training. In this session, we will see how to create static group, and in the next session we will show you how to create a dynamic group. So we will be creating static security group. To create security group, let's dive into the Intune portal. As you can see, I'm on the Intune portal as of now. I'll click on home, and under home I will go to groups, and under groups I will go to all groups. As you can see, I have created just one group. These two are the default ones. So as soon as you create the tenant, these two groups gets created automatically. And the last one that you see here, dynamic group with group tag, this was created for the example that I showed you when you onboard the devices via hardware ID. So this group is regarding that. So we will not be touching this group, and we will be creating a static security groups. And to do that, we will be clicking on new groups, and group type will be security. Group name will be let's give it a department name. So let's assume we have 4 departments: finance, HR, and let's do marketing. Okay, so I will be creating 3 static groups, one for the finance group and finance group. Just give it a name as finance group. Okay, and for the description we will write all users from the finance department. Membership type will be assigned because we are creating a static group. If we wanted to create a dynamic group, we will click on dynamic, which we will do in the next lecture. So let's leave it with assigned, and we don't really have to do anything else here. But if you remember, we created 3 users. So let's select one user. Okay, and we will click on users. We only have 3 users. So let us select John to be part of the finance group and create. And now we will refresh the page, and as you can see, we have finance group here. Let's see who are the members. John is the member of finance group. So this is nothing but what you have in SCCM. You had collections. In Intune we have groups. So there's no difference. In collection we used to have a collection of devices and collection of users. Similarly, in Intune we have groups, which is security group. So group of users or group of devices. So since we created one group for finance, let's click new group and create another group. Let's do marketing group. Okay, and we'll type all users from marketing group, and Microsoft role can be assigned to the group. We are not doing any changes to this because it says switch this setting to yes, use this group to assign roles. Once set, the group's eligibility for role assignment is permanent. So we are not doing any changes because we will only be using the group for deployments. So right now the membership type is assigned because we are not changing it. And members, let's select another member for marketing group. Let's select Sam and create, and refresh the page. All right, all groups. All right, you can see finance group and marketing group. So we have 2 groups and 2 static groups that we have created. It is extremely simple. In the organizational scenario, it is always recommended to take the groups approach because it's easier. And if you segregate the user based on different departments, and similarly you have groups based on different departments, you can simply target those groups for your deployments, either policy deployment, profile deployment, or application deployment. So this was an example of static group, security static group. In the next lecture, I will show you how to create dynamic security group. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.